Hi everyone, welcome back to Unreal with Small. Today we are going to create a replicated dash mechanics in Unreal Engine 5 for the multiplayer games. So first I will show the final result. As you can see, when I perform the dash on the server, the movement works correctly and fully replicated. Now let's test it from the client side. The client also performed the dash mechanics and the movement is properly replicated across the network. So let's build the system from scratch. So for this tutorial, I am using a dash animation from the Lyra starter game. You can easily get this animation by downloading the Lyra starter game from Unreal Engine. So just go there and download these animations and migrate into your project and just here to retarget the animation to your characters. I have already made a tutorial explaining how to retarget animation in Unreal. I will leave the link of video in the description. So after that, create any montage of this, then go to world setting and go to our default pawn class. So in BP third person character, add a two custom event. So first I add a custom event called server dash and I set its replication type to run on server. So after that, add another custom event called multicast dash and set its replication type to multicast and compile and say why I use run on server, because server controls all the dash mechanics, and why multicast, so every player can see the same animations. After that I search a node called play animation montage and select our new animation montage. So compile it and save it. So after server dash, I make a variable called b can dash, and by default I set it's true. So then get this variable and by branch I set it false on a true. So on this then call our multicast dash custom event where we play our animation montage. So after that I search for get actor forward vector, because to know which direction the character is facing, so dash goes forward directly. So after that add a search for a multiplication node and make an other variable called dash strength. Set its vector type to float and connect to the multi node and set its value to 1500. Then search for the launch character. Why launch character? Because is actually move the player forward in the dash directions. So I set the variable dash strength to 1500 and I think it is good. After that I add a delay, so the animation will move after 1 second, and then use B can dash to gain set it to for the cooldown. So after that I search for any input key, I go for a left shift and connect our server dash custom event, compile it, save it, set number of player to 2 and let mode play as a listen server. Now when I play the game, you can see when I play on the server, the animation is working perfectly and it is fully replicated. The client can also see that animations. And when I play the animation from the client side, the client is also play the dash animation and it is replicated. The server also see that animation. So that's all from this video. If it helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unreal Engine content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.